Good morning guys, so it's day 2. Morning guys, so it's day 2 of our seminar here in Batangas, and I'll show you the look today. Grabe mo ako, ayusin ko lang. That view, so much. Hi Taal, good morning.
Ang ganda.
Wala pang sunrise. Maulap.
Saan ba ang mulkang taal dyan? Parang kabiliin.
Maulap ngayon. It's too cloudy. That's why we can't see the sunrise yet. It's supposed to be here. That point. Pero 6 na eh. Past 6 a.m. But no sunrise yet. We'll try later. Maybe. Kasi kaso na kami. Kasi 7 a.m. we will be starting our second day. See you later guys. Bye! A speedboat. Let's do some coffee. Ay, oo nga, umulan. Oo nga. Oh, I'm just gonna have some coffee before I head to taking a bath. Saan na tayo ilalagay? Maybe here. Ulan. Pero nakita. Init ang kape. Ang ganda ni Taal. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. That's 10 times zoom, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda. Tara, tara. Kaya nakuha ako ng bangko. Nahirapan ako mag-vlog. Saan na kaya? Kaya ito. Walang sunrise kasi umulan kagabi. Kaya naman gabi. The view is still so then may mga birds. Oh. So with my jammies on. Coffee and medyas. Good morning. Di na kasi zoom. Ano daw? Sabi niya, why did she say that? Sabi ko, no, she's just messing around. Gusto pa nga niya, sleep cool. Bango, masyado mo namimiss. Chari. How can I find someone who isn't truly? The view.
The view is viewing. Hindi giving. It's viewing.
Oh yeah.
Nakalimutan na kita. Ay.
Pagbilang ko ng 3. Hindi na kita mahal. Yun na yan. Isa. Ayoko na. Ang ganda ni Taal, no? Ano lang siya dyan, no?
Parang hindi siya, truck.
Parang hindi nagmamaktol.
Ayun pala yung araw.
Nakapunta ako dyan sa Tok-Tok, ma'am.
Oh?
Mm-mm.
Yung crater?
Gamit ang kabayo.
Ay, weh.
Nakapunta din ako dyan.
Talaga? Pwede,
Ano kami din, naglakad lang kami. Hindi kami nagkabayo.
pwede pala
Sa
yan.
crater, tapos may buko doon, di ba?
Umuusok-usok pa yung gilid-gilid.
Oh.
Picture pa kami doon dati na welcome to wala na, di ba dati
Ah, ma'am, may ganun.
Hindi, nawala na siya.
Wala na. Oo, pumutok na yun.
Na rin nagmaktol yan si Taal. Here comes the sun.
Greetings of peace, everyone. So I am Ma'am Reg Nanlangit from SDO Pasig, in charge to do the recap of dance sports, everything that we had yesterday. So first, we have the discussion about the objectives, history, meaning, and the dance discipline that was discussed by Ma'am Rosalie de la Cruz. And afterwards, we also had the discussions about the key stages or trainings that was discussed by Sir Noel Tan. And those key training or stages are actually key stage 1. This is kinder to grade 3, which is the part of exploratory and preparatory stage. Key stage 2, grades 4 to grade 6, capacity building stage, communication and collaboration. And we also have the key stage 3, which is all about subcomponents of choreography and presentation. And the last stage, key stage 4, grades 11 to 12. That is all about capacity building stage, and it's all about also sports club standards. And afterwards, he also discussed to us, since marami po sa amin ang mga bagong dance sport coach, so he also discussed the different positions and directions for Latin and standard disciplines for us to be more familiarized. We also had a chance to do the different positions and direction by couple, and we will be continuing the session today. And our session ended with beautiful photo ops with full of learnings and smiles on our faces. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Regine Manlani. And
Kasi pag nandyan yung mga festival, pag nakita nyo, may descriptions nyo ito on your right. Mag-roll fast siya, using your inner, kapag nakaspread yung pose. Experience nyo, pag kiniklex nyo, lalo, pag hindi nyo nararamdaman yung isang paan nyo, hindi sabihin na kapapaka kayo na siya. Dahil nakapagpakan siya, kasi minsan ito na rin independent sila dito eh. Mag-extend ko. Okay, step, and back. Step 1, diba? Okay.
TikTok.
Lapot ako naman.
nangyayari sa buhay niya. Para hindi kayo magkakalimutan. Huwag sila ginagawa.
Kasama ata.
The path to achieving excellence. Our safe travels and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
dry. Tangled in the sheets, your breath on my skin. Every night we fall asleep, and I can't help but grin. Your arms around me tight, it feels like home. In this little world we've sown.
Guys, we're about to go home na. Dito na lang nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Unless kakain pa kami ng lomi, I'll update you. Bye!